So here's Gametime app, last minute tickets app. Yeah, it's one of the best apps in this category. So let's just install it. 73 megabyte size, so it's not a big app. So this is one of the apps to get, like book different activities, favorite events. So now including time ticket coverage, the most comprehensive service and protection policy in ticketing included free with all purchases. Gametime is a top app for deals on last minute tickets to sports, concerts, and theater. So you can score great deals. Easy ticket buying, big savings. So that's what this app is promising. A lot of these apps promise stuff like that, but you can see 147K ratings and pretty high rating as well. So yeah, especially like now everyone wants to get back to like all the events and visit some cool concerts and all of that. So this is kind of like a cool app to do that. So you can see all the activities. You can filter by location. You can use current location, or you can just see available. I think it's only US and Canada here in this version. Maybe if you download depends. Maybe if you download from your app store, maybe it's also UK, which is available here. But yeah, you can see all the categories like sports, music, shows. So yeah, you can just go visit Chris Rock show, Madison Square Garden, and then you can see some prices like here, and then they're sorted by price. You can also check out map. So like very intuitive kind of design of the app, user interface. So I can easily figure out stuff. So then you can search by sports. Music. So different types of events. So you can just discard all the stuff here. Then there are tickets. You need to create an account. You can also sell on this app, so that's a cool solution. So it's kind of like a marketplace where you can also sell. Then there is your profile. You can create your account, share your invite code with friends, and earn $5 in credit the first time they buy tickets. You can go to account. You can also create an account here. So that's basically it. You can always chat with their support, call us, email us, and that's basically that. So I think pretty cool app, very easy to use, very easy to understand. I think one of the best apps in US or Canada to actually get tickets to this kind of events. If you have any experience using this app, just leave some comments below. Interesting to know your opinion.